Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will make this easy and beautiful waffle pocket shawl. It's so easy. We use two stitch. One is waffle, one is that brim parts, one front post, one back post. I give all the details in the video. You know we love waffle stitch. We can make with that stitch blankets, straws, beanies, cardigans, pullovers, and what we want we can make it. And I want to use it that pocket shawl. Hope you like it. You can see the photos from the beginning of the video. I tried that. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments and don't forget subscribe to my channel. I want to show you that it's beautiful. I like it. That I love that stitch. Hope you like. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our waffle pocket shawl. Let's start. I will use in my pocket shawl that Ören Bayan. I think you know that the second name of Madame Tricot Paris, Angora Deluxe, and it's 100 grams and 550 meters. So I use that two color together because it's so thin for my project, and it's 80% of Angora gut hair, 20% of acrylic. Any of you can wash it 30 degrees. You can ironing, not for dry, not put in the dry machine. Okay, it's not prefer us for the hook, but I will use double folded of that quality of yarn, 4 millimeter hook. Okay, I want to use them together. I will make without the brim part 62 chains. Make a slip knot and chain 62. I will make my chains and turn to you. I made my chains, and you will make your chains multiple of 3. Okay, don't forget that. And I want to give you measurements with my mine quality yarns and mine hook. 62 chain is now 35 nearly centimeter because we put the double crochet on it and it's get more wider. 60 stitch for the pattern. One is right, one on left, is for the sides. Okay, you will make your chains multiples of 3 plus 2. Now insert into that stitch, not that second, make a single crochet and not count that, yarn over and make a double crochet, and this is our first double crochet, and do all the stitch a double crochet. At the end of that first row you have totally 62 double crochet. I will make my double crochets, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert, pull through 2, pull through 2. I will make mine after turn 2. I made my double crochets. Now start to put the pattern, chain 3 and turn. This is our sides first double crochet. Yarn over and insert my hook from the front and the back, then front, like that, and make a 1 front post double crochet. pull through 2, pull through 2. Then yarn over, insert into the next stitch and make a double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch and make one more double crochet. Then yarn over and next stitch make a front post. I insert my hook like that, pull through 2, pull through 2. Then make next 2 stitch a double crochet, 1 and 2. In this row we will make 2 double crochet, 1 front post. One front post. That row like that. 2 double, 1 front post. At the end of the row I will turn to you. I come to at the end of the first row. We start with a front post. You remember, 2 double. Make the front post and don't forget the last double crochet for the side double crochet. Here, chain 3 and turn my work. That time you see here 1 stitch seems to back, 2 stitch seems to front. So in that second row we will make a usual double crochet, 1 double, 2 front posts this time, 1 and 2. When you see the back stitch you will make a usual double. When you see that front stitch you will make a front post, 1 and 2. Make 1 double, 2 front post, 1 and 2. That's the second row's rule, 1 double, 2 front post. I will finish that and turn to you. I come to at the end, make 2 front post, then make 1 double crochet. That's the pattern, and this is the sides double, and make a double on it. Chain 3 and turn. Now we repeat the first row. That's just only 2 rows repeating. That's the waffle stitch, you know that. So we will make we see the front stitch and make a front post. We see that 2 stitch from the back side and make 2 double. We see that on the front and make a front. We see them on the back and make usual double crochet. After that row you will make here 1 double, 2 front post. Okay, only 2 row repeating. You will growing up your shawl. I will growing up mine. After turn to you and how much centimeter I crocheted I will tell you. I finish that and turn to you. I insert my hook. Here is the corner. Next to corner I want to insert my hook. Next to corner stitch. Grab that yarn. And chain 3. This is my first double crochet. Now we look at that stitch and here we see 1 space, 1 stitch, 1 space, 1 stitch. I insert that stitch, so I insert here a space, a double crochet. Then in that stitch, then in that space, here insert into the stitch, insert into the space. You will adapt that, not make so tight or not make so much double crochet after that gets ruffled. So we make here 1 in space, 1 in stitch. I will make a double crochet in every each stitch. When I come to corner, I will turn to you. After we turn all around that shawl with a double crochet. I come to corner and I will make here 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Then here we have stitches and we will make a double crochet in every each stitch. When you come to corner, you make 3 double crochet, then come to the third side, 1 double in space, 1 double in the stitch. When come to last side, you will make a double crochet in every each stitch. I finish that round. After turn to you, after we will make 1 front post, 1 back post. I finish that and turn to you. I turn all around that shawl with double crochet. You know, we make here corner 3 double and make here last 3 double. 1, 2 and 3. Then join with a slip stitch. Now I want to make a brim part and make it 1 front post, 1 back post. You can make, if you want to make another border, you can make it. I want to make it, lose that loop, insert my hook front to back, then front, then take this loop and take it to the front side, then chain 3 and count as a first front post. Yarn over, back to front, then back and make a back post double crochet, then make front post double crochet, back post double crochet. I will make 1 front post, 1 back post. When I come to the corner, I will turn to you. I come to corner. You can see here that the 3 double crochet in our corner. I come here with back post. In the middle of that, the second stitch, I will make front post. Then I make on the same stitch, second stitch, make a back post. And make 1 more front post on the same second stitch. So I made here 3 stitch on the second stitch of that corner, then make back post, and make front post, make back post. You will make 1 back post, 1 front post and come to that corner, here 3 stitch. Which stitch you come here, make that and make 3 stitch on the second one, so you can turn easily. I will keep crocheting like that nearly 5 or 6 rounds. I don't know. I crochet after turn to you and tell to you how many rows I crocheted. I finish that and turn to you. I finished the brim part. I totally crocheted 5 rounds for the brim part, and our shawl's width is 60 centimeter and the length is nearly 2 meters. And I make a pocket. How did I do that? First of all, chain. I will show you. First of all, I chain 34 chains. After, make a double crochet in every one. So from the beginning, skip 3 stitch and insert the 4th one and make first double crochet, after make a double crochet in every each stitch. So totally I have 32 double crochet, and one is side and one is left side, one is right side. I bring them off, then put the waffle pattern again, one front post, two double, one front, two double, then turn. This time not count that sides. Okay, so we have 32, 2 out for the sides. I have 30 stitch and 30 10 waffle, because waffle pattern belongs 3 stitches. Second round same as that shawl. First is double, 2 front post. Okay, make waffle, then I crochet that totally 18 rows. Which size you want, you can adapt your pocket, your shawl's length and width. Okay, I make that like here, and I sew it, and I want to sew that together. I put my pocket 1 2 3 4 5 here, and 1 2 3 4 5 like that. 1 2 3 4 5 here. And start to sew it. I want to show you, but it's I want to turn it like that and want to make easy sewing. 1 2 3 4 5 here. I will put that, and we finished our waffle pocket shawl. I hope you like it. It's so easy and you can make it easily. Hope you will try and you like this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, and on Pinterest as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.